Hello there, Heidelberg family. It's your librarian, Miss Hess. Welcome back to school year 2020-2021. This is going to be a year that will be a very challenging one, and school will be different in many ways. We're going to be wearing masks and having to put a lot of space in between us. A year might even at times feel like a science fiction story from the library. It will be strange, but we're going to get through it. And we're going to do it by caring for each other. And since we're going to need to put lots of space in between our bodies, we're going to have to care about each other with our kind words. And on that note, I have a wonderful book to share with you. It's a new book to my library, and it is called All Are Welcome, and the author's name is Alexandra Penfold, and the illustrator's name is Susan Kaufman. All right, so here we go. All are welcome. Pencils sharpened in their case, bells are ringing, let's make haste. School's beginning, dreams to chase. All are welcome here. No matter how you start your day, what you wear when you play, or if you come from far away, all are welcome here. In our classroom, safe and sound, fears are lost and hope is found. Raise your hand, we'll go around. All are welcome here. Gather now. Let's all take part. Let's play music. We'll make art. We'll share stories from the heart. All are welcome here. Time for lunch. What a spread. A dozen different kinds of bread. Pass it around till everyone's fed. All are welcome here. Open doors, rush outside. We will sing, we will slide. We'll have fun side by side. All are welcome here. We're part of a community. Our strength is our diversity, a shelter from adversity. All are welcome here. We will learn from each other. Special talents we'll uncover. There's a big world to discover. All are welcome here. So much to learn, so much to do. And when the busy day is through, can't wait to come back, start anew. All are welcome here. Head for home to get some rest and greet tomorrow ready and fresh. Our time together is the best. All are welcome here. You have a place here. You have a space here. And then this book opens up really cool to this giant picture. You are welcome here. Wasn't that a fantastic welcome back to school story? That is the end of our story. And I wish you a really great school year. And I will see you guys soon.